One of our trade for the week is going to be Nasdaq 100. Right now, there are two ways this Nasdaq 100 is going to move. I feel it will actually get a drop, at least to a level of 11,600 plus, maybe 662, or we might have a little bit of a correction, which will head to a level of 12,000 before we get that drop. One thing is that Nasdaq 100 will definitely close bearish this week. We would expect it to drop, but we are very much likely to get a correction. At the same time, a correction will not play out. So if in case you want to have your stop loss, I feel having it way above 12,000 is actually the best, or you can wait for a correction to play out before you take your sell. And again, if in case price does not give us that correction, we might be getting a straight drop to a level of 11,660 something. That is what I'm watching out for. So I think markets will actually play out this way. I mean, when you take a look at this your daily time frame, you see that price has actually come to the same level again. You've seen price is at this level. So we expect a little bit of a reaction. That is why I said you are very much likely to have a correction before we get a drop. But when you go to your 4 hour time frame, you'll see this movement, which I think wants to play out again. I mean, take a look at this movement, right? We saw that once price came to the same level, right? I mean, if you have to zoom it out, you see price has once reacted to this same level. So when price came to this same level, we saw a bullish move. Then price came to this level, a little bit of a correction before it dropped. So I feel same thing wants to happen. As we see that price has come to the same level, we had a good amount of a bullish move. Now price has come to the same level. I feel a little bit of a correction will play out. At the same time, it might not play out. But one thing for sure is that Nasdaq 100 is going to drop. And when you add the fundamental aspect of the news, I mean, you can see the Silvergate, crash and Silicon Valley Bank and everything that has to do with, basically Nasdaq 100 will drop with the fundamental aspect of it, right? The news itself is actually not a very positive one, and we all know Silvergate, Silicon Valley Bank, which mostly invest in tech of tech company and everything, and most of these are tech can be found in this Nasdaq 100. So we expect more of these stocks to actually drop. Fundamentally, we expect more of these stocks to actually drop. So basically, we will be expecting a drop on Nasdaq 100. But the way it's going to move is in a two-direction move. It's either we start getting that drop, or we are very much likely to have a little bit of a correction before Nasdaq 100 actually drops. So having your stop loss above 12,000 will actually be a safe thing to actually do.